Okay, so today has very much so been a mommy day. So it is 3:20 and mommy is just making some lunch. Is that funny? Yeah, that's funny. So I was gonna make a BLT wrap, but it looks like Carl must have thrown out all of our tortillas. But I have some bread that we took camping. It's a little stale, but I'm gonna toast it. Also, don't have any tomatoes because the tomato that I did have from my mom's garden, it's moldy. So we're not gonna use that. So it's going to be some toast with avocado mayo, lettuce, and bacon. I could add some avocado, but actually, Kennedy, you might want some of that with your lunch. Yeah, you can reach your tray. Okay. This is her leftover muffin from this morning, and it looks like she wants the muffin again. We got the bacon cooking. This house needs a real good cleaning later. Also, these from Trader Joe's. I was eating them all wrong. You have to have them with some ice cold milk. Delicious. Not that they didn't taste good before. They always tasted good, but I was a little bit underwhelmed just because they were like really hard. But then I realized that there's a cup of tea with it. And now I don't really drink tea, but with some ice cold milk. And I'm talking put ice cubes in your whole milk. Chef's kiss. All right, where's the mayo? There we go. This bacon isn't like regular bacon. This one's almost like more meaty. I really don't know how to describe it. Like, it's not like an Oscar Mayer bacon or like a bacon that you would get out at a restaurant. It's more so, this is a Trader Joe's apple one, but the way I can best describe it is it's more meaty, and it reminds me of the Applegate one. I don't know. If you know what I'm saying, great. If you don't, I'm sorry. I don't, my head's not doing what it's supposed to do today. That took me way too long to figure out what to say. I need lunch, okay? Ooh, we're having salmon tonight for dinner. Y'all want to see that? Let me know. All right. I think I'm going to add both the mayo, because I love mayo, and avocado. Yeah, honey. Yeah. All right, got my toast, which this one, I'm going to take that one out now too. I do have some cherry tomatoes, but I feel like that's just not the vibe with this. You know what I mean? It's just not it. All right, and then I'm going to take some avocado. So let me just slice this up. Yeah, gray. Oh, I don't know if that's all going to fit on all of them. All right, well, you know what? We'll put avocado on one. No, there's more in here. We'll put avocado on these. You know what I'll do? That's what I'll do. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to do now. Avocado on that one. Let's get a little bit of pepper. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of pepper on everything. Pep. Okay. How's it going over there, Gray? A little bit of salt. I know, love bug. I'm trying to eat something myself. Okay, and then I've got my bacon here that I just wrapped in some paper towel. I also think I'm gonna say, this is what I mean. It's like more meaty. Some bacon on there. Might not even do the lettuce. Okay, one of these is gonna have just bacon and mayo. I need more mayo on that one, hold on. Yeah, this is why my house is a mess. Okay. I mean, it's food. It's food. You know what I mean? What's not to like about it? Here's my lunch. I just remembered I have tuna. I'll do it tomorrow. Actually, yeah, I'll do that tomorrow because I'm having salmon today. I don't want to have fish twice in one day. All right, I'm going to eat this as quick as I can, and I will talk to you guys later. I'll see y'all at dinner. Yeah. Oh. Bye.